Hey, good evening, everybody. Lawrence Michael, Operations Manager for Air Quality Remediation. We're starting a new project this evening. This will be cleaning air conditioning units and ductwork throughout a courthouse. There are 6 air handler units at this courthouse and all the associated ductwork, so all the supply and return ductwork and return vents and supply vents throughout the whole building. So, since we started our YouTube channel and started making YouTube videos just recently, it seemed as though all of the projects that we were doing were mold remediation. So, I definitely wanted to take this evening to show a different type of indoor air quality project that we do on a regular basis. It just so happened that when we started making our, weekly and multiple videos a week, videos that it kind of just happened that we had a bunch of mold jobs and mold projects instead of anything else going on. So, and that's pretty normal. Sometimes we have a bunch of mold jobs that go back to back. Sometimes there's a bunch of duct cleaning projects or air conditioner projects or lead projects. I mean, it's just kind of how it happens. So we can see in here the air conditioning units are pretty dirty. The filters are definitely pretty dirty. So you can see the filters are supposed to be that blue color, but here they're brown. They're pretty dirty. So I also have a technician in here inside the mixing chamber for AHU1 and AHU2. He's already worked his way through and decontaminated all these surfaces. That's your fresh air intake there. And we also have a supply line that runs up. And the unit will all have to be done by tomorrow. We also have the return ductwork that I'm getting ready to climb inside. So the way we attack ductwork that's this big, we'll make our access doors where we'll physically climb inside and then contact clean all the surfaces, so HEPA vacuum and sanitize all the surfaces with an antimicrobial solution. So I'll be climbing inside this access hole and then going down the ductwork, and then there is a damper system right about here where this camera is. So what we'll have to do is go through this door here. Come on, lights. And we made another access door right here where I can climb in and go farther down. And so just to give you kind of a cool look that most people don't get, unless of course they're in the industry. So this is a long stretch of ductwork that all has to be cleaned. And I'd like to give you guys a look. So see how dirty the bottom of the ductwork is? Whereas the sides and the top, they don't get as dirty because obviously gravity makes all the dirt collect on the bottom. But so I'll have to go all the way down to the end of the run of return ductwork and start our way back with a HEPA vacuum and an antimicrobial solution and wipe down all the surfaces. And once the returns are done, we can clean that air conditioning unit we were talking about. Sorry, you need a special key to get through everything. And then once the air conditioning unit is clean, we'll go through the supply ductwork, which also has another access door, but we're going to have to put in a bigger one. This one that was previously installed by another company just isn't big enough for us to physically go inside and access the ductwork that way. So once the return ductwork is done, which will be done tonight, we'll tackle the air conditioning unit itself tomorrow, and then we'll go to the supply ductwork. And once that's done, make sure all the vents are clean, all of our filter media is off all the diffusers, which are the vents where the supply air comes out. And once that's done, we'll move on to AHU2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on and so forth until the project's completed. This hasn't been done yet, but I did want to give you a look at. So normally the access door is, closed like that. And we open up the access door, and we can see where there's more fresh air intake here. And you can see how dirty the bottom of the ductwork is. There's a lot of debris. Even on the walls, there's some debris buildup. And this goes all the way up to the top where there's some turning vanes. Every time there's a 90-degree turn in the ductwork, it's called turning vanes. It helps move that airflow in a different direction. It helps that airflow make that 90-degree turn. But either way, we'll go through everything, clean it, make it all look good. Getting rid of the debris inside the ductwork and sanitizing everything, and then cleaning the coils inside the air conditioning unit will all make the unit run more energy efficiently. So it actually saves the commercial building money over time on their energy bill. So while a lot of people look at our cost to do the air conditioning unit cleanings and the duct cleaning, I have to explain to them that it's going to save you money on your energy bill every month, plus it saves you the overall cost of costly repairs down the line. So preventative maintenance. So that's just my sales pitch for you. If anyone out there watching the video has air conditioning units or ductwork that needs to be cleaned, definitely give us a call. We're on call 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. And check us out on our social media pages or our website. And I'll definitely make some continuing videos as we're doing the duct cleaning and the air conditioning unit cleanings throughout this project, and give you guys a good look at before and after. So as always, if you have any questions, give us a call, let us know. I appreciate your time. Thank you very much.